What's up guys, it's Dre Ronayne and I'm here at Hot Topic to show you how I created this goth sunset kind of makeup look using the BlackCraft Night Fiend eyeshadow palette and their liquid lipstick collection. So stick around. So first I'm going to be taking a fluffy blending brush and dipping into the shade Blood Rose from the Night Fiend palette. And I'm going to be starting in the crease area and going pretty high up into the brow bone area. Next, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm going to dip into the color Catacombs and build this up into the crease area so we have a nice darker ombre effect going from the crease to the outer brow bone. And I'm going to take the same blending brush from before and just blend those colors together. And now taking a pretty short, dense brush, I'm going to use the color Nightshade. I'm going to put this on the outer part of the lid as well as the inner part, but leaving a blank space in the middle. And connect those two sides in the crease on the top. So I'm going to use the smaller blending brush that we used earlier and I'm going to blend Nightshade into Catacombs. So I'm going to take the first blending brush that we had and I'm going to take Blood Rose again and bring it down under my eyes as well. Alright, and then taking the smaller blending brush and taking Catacombs around under the eye as well. And then taking the smaller packing brush, taking Nightshade on the lower outer portion of the eye, as well as the lower inner portion over here. So we want to leave a blank space in the middle that lines up with the same blank space that we have on top. We can take Nightshade all the way around to the inner corner as well. This is a pretty dark, smoky look. Now we're going to take a little bit of concealer and just using one of your fingers, I'm going to dab this on the blank portion of the eye. This is just going to help the color that we're going to put here pop even more. And we're going to do the same to the other side. And we're going to do this under the eye as well. Okay, so now we're going to take a short packing brush and we're going to take the shade Moon Phases, which is a beautiful shimmery purpley blue color. We're going to pack that right onto where we just put that concealer. blend. I'm going to add it under the eye as well, in the middle where we put the concealer before. So now I'm going to use a very mini fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the shade Eerie and use this as my brow bone highlight right under my eyebrow. Then use that first fluffy brush that we used, just blend everything we just did all together. Add some mascara and lashes. So apparently, like, I call these falsies, but apparently falsies, like, back in the day is what you called, like, fake boobs. So my mom was like, why are you talking about fake boobs? And I was like, they're falsies, like lashes. And she was like, call them false lashes then. And I was like, okay, pretty sure your generation's the only one that called them falsies, and you're the only one of your generation watching this video, so. Okay, and to finish the eyes, we're going to line the waterline with the black eyeliner. To finish the look completely, I'm going to use the shade Sinful from the Night Fiend Liquid Lipstick Collection. So here is the finished look, and again, this look was created with Hot Topic's BlackCraft Night Fiend eyeshadow palette and their liquid lipstick collection. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!